Basics of permutation and combination. So if we start with certain basics, the most basic rule of this chapter is the factorial. So what is n factorial? N factorial is basically denoted by n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. So if I just give you an example of 10, so what is the 10 factorial? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into so on till 1. So if I say that n factorial denotes that product of n consequent integers starting from 1 to n. So there is a basic rule which you need to mug up, that is 0 factorial is 1 and not 0. Factorials can be defined only for natural numbers and not non-natural numbers. Okay, so there is certain difference between permutation and combination. So many candidates get confused between a permutation and combination. So I will start with combination. Combination is basically represented by C, and the formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So combination is number of ways in which r things can be selected from n number of things. And if I say permutation, it is represented by P, and the formula states n factorial by n minus k factorial or n minus r factorial, whatever term you want to use. So basically this denotes the number of ways in which R things can be selected and arranged. So if we see selected and arranged and not just selected. So now we will take this by example of combination. So what is a combination? The number of ways in which we can select 3 letters from following list of letters. The list of letters starts from A till F. So in this, if I just give you certain example, if it's A B C B C D D E F E F A. So here there are many ways from which few are ABC, BCA, CAB, CBA. All these are just rearrangement of ABC. But does that make any difference? No, all these things can be considered just a single way. So it won't make any difference if you rearrange the letters. All the cases will be considered as a single way. So this can be said that number of ways it can be selected, only selected and not arranged. Now we will see for permutation. So permutation is considered as the selection and arrangement. So we will consider the same example. How many letters can we select and arrange from of any 3 different letters from the list of letters? So here if we see ABC, BCA, CAB, CBA, all will be considered as a separate way and not a single way. It will make a difference if you rearrange the letters for the case of permutation. So in any numerical, if you feel the need of arrangement and selection, we will select permutation. But if we feel only the way of selection is important and not the arrangement, then we will select combination. So that's all for this particular video, and for next video we will and for next further explanation we will prepare a separate video, so just stay tuned. Okay, thank you.